All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a look at BLZ here. So we're on the 3-day chart. Clearly, the momentum is up on this thing, making higher highs, higher lows. It is still bullish. So from the low to the high here, you can see that as long as you stay over the 20 cent range, you're currently at 29 and a half. You're good to go here. So you could potentially drop here on BLZ about 29-30% down to 20 cents and still be extremely bullish, and all the way down to your 382 at 15 cents for a 48% drop and still be considered bullish here. So if you can hold 20, you're still extremely bullish for a push higher. And if you come all the way down to your 382, you're still bullish and you're potentially going to go back up, or you're going to come down here and go sideways and do something like this potentially. But as long as you hold that 382, you're bullish, and you could potentially do this also. So either of those scenarios is possible. But right now, it's just extremely bullish on BLZ. It has been for a while. If we draw one more fib here on the chart, just to kind of show you how bullish it is, if we draw from that little low to the high here, you can see the price is still sitting above the even smaller 236 here at 26. So if you could stay above 26, you're extremely bullish here for a push higher. And then I would say as soon as you can break the 34 cent price area here, it's probably off to the races. If we zoom out to the weekly chart and look at the previous high according to this Coinbase chart from back here in December of 2021, is just right above where we are right now. But you could also see this wick here, if we hold that there, it's right in the middle of that wick there. So it's a little bit lower high. So that is a bearish market structure. And if you cannot get above this, this high here at 34, then you're probably going to top here and come all the way back down off of that macro lower high. So you really want to blow past the 34 cent area here on BLZ. But like I said, off of those two Fibonacci's, it's extremely bullish right now. I really don't see anything besides it coming down those percentages, telling me that it's coming down and going to zero, breaking this market structure. Like I said, you can come all the way down to the 382 and you're still making a higher low here. So that is good there. If we want to get a target for the upside from the low to the high, I guess we're going to go from back here and see what this is going to tell us here. And you can see that the price right now is also sitting right on your 1618. And it looks like the next stop, once you break 34, is potentially the 2272 here at 61. And then, of course, we have our 2618 at 92. Could be potential targets to get hit on BLZ if it continues going here and remains bullish. So we're going to go ahead and get that one off of the chart now that we got our prices marked out. So you're sitting on pretty much double support here at that 236 on that smaller fib, from that high to that low on that, what was it, 116 or 1618 rather. So if you can push through the 34 cent area and get over that high from the what was it, December 2021, then you can see your first and next stop would be about 61 cents for a 100% move, and then 93 after that for about a 216% move or so. So one more thing before we end this update here. Let me go ahead and draw us a little box here. That way we can have a box of resistance here that needs to break. So we're going to go from that high from December of 21 to the most recent high here, and this is the price to beat. If we can get over this box on BLZ, she's going to the moon in my opinion, after breaking that previous high there on the macro scale of things. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on BLZ. You need to get over 34 to about 35.5 cents here, and then she's going to start going again. And as long as you stay above 15 cents, you still have a shot at that, at being extremely bullish here overall, of course. But yeah, it's bullish right now. We'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Good luck, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.